We've been doing a lot of projects, so that creates a lot of sod and we get a lot of layering with sod. So we'll run our aerifiers through these sodded bluegrass areas, these rough areas, just to break them up, break up that layering, and try to produce a healthier stand of turf. West Bend Country Club was built 90 years ago in the Kettle Moraine in Wisconsin. The beauty of this golf course is we have a lot of terrain changes in it, a lot of elevation. And to go with that, the glaciers brought us a lot of rock and sand type soils, mixed in with a little bit of clay. So that poses some really unique challenges to us as we go through aeration processes, as far as how deep we can aerify, what we can use to aerify, and even at times where we can aerify. We aerify greens, tees, fairways, approaches. We aerify those every year. That varies on what I'm trying to accomplish from an agronomic standpoint. Some areas, the fairways, we may only solid tine, greens I only solid tine, tees I'll core, putting a little more nutrients down, have a little more thatch buildup, so I tend to go in there and core. Each area is subject to change every year based on soil testing and what I see from an agronomic standpoint of what my goals are for the property. Depending on the process, we prefer 9 or 18 holes per square foot. If I'm looking at 9 holes per square foot, it's something where I'm just trying to break up the surface. I'm trying to just get a little bit of air movement, or I'm literally trying to just be quick and not make a huge mess. I'm trying to do some benefit, but not get too crazy. We go to 18, it's because I want to really make a change. I want to break up that surface. I want to break up layering, or I really want to get water infiltration in. So it depends on the time of year is exactly what I do, and also what my feel is at that time of year. With that being said, the old adage, more holes beats less holes, so running 18 is probably more of what we do than anything. The overall health of the course by pulling the Ryan around is incredible. We're able to promote more growth and more roots, and the only way to really do that is to break the soil up and aerify it. This gives us the ability to do it quick, effective, and clean, and the cleanup process is very simple as well, and it's been fantastic through the years.